for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard gravel pathway is more than just a functional trail for walking. It is a design element that defines the flow and structure of your outdoor living space. At its core, it is a walkway created using loose aggregates, such as crushed stone, pea gravel, or decomposed granite, often held in place by edging materials. These pathways serve as the connective tissue of your garden, guiding the eye and the feet from one area to another, such as from your back door to a fire pit or a hidden seating nook. By breaking up large expanses of grass or soil, a gravel path introduces texture, color, and a sense of intentionality to your landscape architecture. The benefits of installing a gravel pathway are both practical and aesthetic, making them a favorite for homeowners everywhere. Firstly, gravel is highly permeable, meaning it allows rainwater to drain directly into the ground, which prevents puddles and reduces erosion issues compared to solid concrete. From a budget perspective, gravel is incredibly cost-effective and relatively easy to install as a DIY project, requiring far less labor than laying heavy pavers or pouring a permanent walkway. Additionally, gravel provides a unique crunch sound underfoot that can actually act as a subtle security feature, alerting you to movement in the yard. Its versatility is unmatched as it can adapt to any shape, curved, straight, or winding, and fits seamlessly into styles ranging from rustic English cottages to sleek, modern minimalist retreats. To make your gravel pathway truly look like it belongs in a professional design magazine, you need to focus on contrast and layering. Start by choosing a gravel color that complements your home's exterior. For instance, cool gray stones look stunning against a modern white house, while warm tan pebbles pair beautifully with brick or wood. One of the best ways to elevate the look is through softscaping, planting lush greenery, ornamental grasses, or vibrant flowers right up to the edge of the path so they spill over slightly, softening the hard lines. Incorporating lighting is another game changer. Solar-powered path lights or low-voltage LED spotlights hidden in the foliage will create a magical, inviting glow after sunset. Finally, consider using stepping stones or large flagstones embedded within the gravel to create a rhythmic, sophisticated pattern that adds a sense of luxury to the walkway. Choosing the right accessories and materials is crucial for a high-end finish. The best items start with high-quality landscape fabric, which is an absolute must-have to prevent weeds from poking through your beautiful stone. For the edging, materials like steel, aluminum, or treated timber are essential to keep the gravel contained and prevent it from migrating into your lawn. If you want to add a focal point, decorative boulders or large garden urns placed at the turns of a winding path can create a professional landscaped feel. High-quality stepping stones, whether they are natural slate, limestone, or circular concrete discs, are also top-tier items because they provide a stable surface for walking while adding visual interest. Lastly, don't forget the power of seating. Placing a weather-resistant bench or a pair of Adirondack chairs at the end of a path turns a simple walkway into a destination. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard gravel pathway ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern Zen entryway. This design features oversized rectangular charcoal pavers laid over a bed of light-colored river pebbles. The stark contrast between the dark stone and the light gravel creates a clean, architectural look that perfectly complements a modern brick home. It is framed by low-profile boxwood hedges that add a touch of structured greenery. 2. The curved English cottage path. A beautiful example of a winding gravel trail made of fine gray grit. This path meanders through a lush garden filled with hostas and white flowering perennials. The organic S-shaped curve makes the backyard feel larger and more mysterious, while the dark metal edging keeps the gravel perfectly in place against the mulch. 3. The rustic woodland retreat. This idea utilizes a wider gravel area to create a charming seating zone in the middle of a garden. With two classic white Adirondack chairs placed directly on the gravel, it serves as a cozy spot for morning coffee. The surrounding perennial beds and mature trees provide a sense of privacy and natural beauty. 4. The geometric grass circle. A unique and artistic approach where a perfectly circular lawn is hugged by a gravel perimeter. This design uses light tan gravel and square paving stones to create a rhythmic border. It is a fantastic way to turn a standard flat yard into a high-design focal point with clear zones for both play and walking. 5. The Y-junction garden split. This layout shows how a gravel path can branch off in two directions, leading to different rooms of the garden. Using a light sandy-colored gravel against dark brown mulch creates a striking visual contrast. This is perfect for larger yards where you want to guide guests toward a deck or a hidden flower garden. 6. The stepping stone meander. Using irregular natural flagstones embedded in a sea of white crushed shells or light gravel, this path follows the natural curve of the house. It is a soft, coastal-inspired look that feels very relaxed. The transition between the mulch flower beds and the green lawn is handled beautifully by this winding stone and gravel combination. 7. The circular patio anchor. In this design, the gravel path expands into a large circular area that serves as a foundation for a stone fire pit. Surrounded by 4 darkwood Adirondack chairs, this layout proves that gravel isn't just for walking, it's for living. It's a low-maintenance way to create a durable, heat-safe zone for evening gatherings. 8. The sculptural grass path. This design features a vibrant green circular lawn surrounded by a gravel walkway that leads to a raised wooden deck and pergola. The combination of different levels, from the gravel to the grass to the wooden stairs, adds incredible depth to the backyard. It's a masterclass in using different textures to define an outdoor living area. 9. The minimalist sculptural walkway. A high-concept garden path that uses light gravel to highlight modern art installations and curved concrete benches. The path itself is wide and inviting, bordered by a mix of manicured lawn and wilder, meadow-like plantings. This is perfect for homeowners who want their backyard to feel like a private art gallery. 10. The Forest Floor Trail. A simple yet effective dark gray gravel path that cuts through a heavily wooded or shaded area of the yard. By using a darker stone, the path blends into the shadows of the trees and large boulders, creating a naturalistic look that feels like a trail in a state park. It's an excellent low-maintenance solution for areas where grass won't grow. As you can see, a backyard gravel pathway is one of the most versatile and impactful upgrades you can make to your home. Whether you're looking for a modern, structured look with large pavers or a soft, romantic trail that winds through your flowers, gravel provides the perfect foundation. It's affordable, easy to maintain, and adds a layer of professional design that truly completes an outdoor living area. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your backyard as a blank canvas waiting for its first stone to be laid. If you enjoyed these backyard inspirations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly tips on elevating your living spaces. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your home improvement projects. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on outdoor furniture and garden lighting to finish your backyard transformation. See you in the next video.